Virtual juror. In high-stakes litigation, lawyers really are not in a position to leave anything to chance. They'd rather present their cases to people that match the profile of the jury pool in their jurisdiction. You have to fill out an online survey to see your personal profile. And if you get picked for that online jury pool, you get paid as an online juror. You basically just listen to the arguments of the lawyers, you look at the evidence presented, and then you render your opinion. In many cases, you are asked to explain why you decided the way you decided. This is then recorded by the online juror company and presented as a report to the litigators involved. The law firms will then look at the profile of different types of jurors so they can use them as a way to guide them in picking out the proper jury composition in their lawsuit. In other words, by going through an online juror system, they can get a good idea as to which jurors to select so as to maximize their chances of success. On the other hand, if the online jurors uniformly or almost universally decide for the plaintiff or the defendant, the law firm might decide to just settle the case. No matter how you cut it, your job as an online or virtual juror is actually very important. It can save companies a lot of money. It can also save plaintiffs a lot of hassle.